Strawberries are a super healthy fruit with amazing and sweet aroma. Do you know in ancient times strawberries are used as ornaments, not as foods? Strawberries have various fun facts including a lot of health benefits. Do you love eating strawberries? So let's talk about today's topic, which is about strawberries, their health benefits and amazing facts. Hi there everyone. Welcome back to Food and Nutrition. I hope you all are doing well. Keep watching the video till the end to know everything about strawberries. At the end we will discuss some of the interesting facts. And if you still didn't subscribe to our channel, please subscribe to our channel so we can provide information like this. Strawberries are known for their bright red appearance and juicy and sweet taste with a beautiful aroma. They are a great source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Strawberries are usually consumed in raw and fresh forms. These can also be used in a variety of jams, jellies and desserts. The strawberries are nutrient-dense in many nutrients. Strawberry contains the following nutrients, per 100 gram. Energy 32 kilocalorie, protein 0.67 gram, total lipids 0.3 gram. Carbohydrate 7.68 gram, dietary fiber 2 gram. Calcium 16 mg, potassium 153 milligrams. Health benefits of strawberry. Number 1, it may boost immunity. Strawberries are excellent sources of vitamin C which act as an immunity booster and keep away various diseases. Number 2, it may keep the heart healthy. Due to the high content of polyphenols, strawberries are good for prevention of heart disease. Anthocyanins in strawberries lower the risk of heart attack, and flavonoid quercetin is known for its anti-inflammatory effect which reduces the risk of atherosclerosis. The potassium and fiber present in strawberry are also great for heart health. Number 3, it may be good for diabetics. Strawberries are a great choice for diabetic patients as the fiber in them prevent the blood glucose spike after eating and also improve the satiety. Number 4, may be good for eyes. Strawberries are great for healthy vision as they contain high amounts of vitamin C and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for healthy eyes and they prevent cataracts and macular degeneration. Number 5, may improve digestion. Strawberries contain a good amount of fiber, which is very much important for regular bowel movement through the digestive tract and improving digestion. So consumption of strawberries can give you a healthy gut. Number 6, may prevent cancer. Strawberries are high in fiber and vitamin C which help to prevent esophageal and colon cancer. Strawberries also contain ellagic acid, a phytochemical which shows anti-cancer properties and acts as an antioxidant and can prevent cancer of skin, lungs, bladder and breast. Number 7, may help in weight management. Strawberries are low in calories and high in fiber. Both the factors can help in weight loss. In addition to that, strawberries promote production of two important hormones, adiponectin and leptin. Both of them promote fat burning and increase metabolism. Number 8, may improve brain health. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants which protect the brain from oxidative damage caused by free radicals and improve brain health. They also contain anthocyanins and flavonoids which help in prevention of memory loss in old-aged people. Strawberries can also decrease the risk of disease like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by preventing the accumulation of the toxin protein responsible for those diseases. Number 9, good for healthy skin. Strawberries are great for skin. They are full of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Vitamin C content of strawberries help to maintain a healthy and glowing skin. Strawberries are also known for their anti-aging properties. Number 10, may be good for hair. Strawberries are great for healthy hair due to their high vitamin C content which promote healthy hair growth, prevents hair loss, controls dandruff and gives a shiny appearance. Now, coming to some of the interesting facts about strawberry, that everyone should know. The scientific name of strawberry is Fragaria ananassa. Strawberry belongs to the family Rosaceae. Strawberries are the only fruit that have seeds on their skin. Each seed of strawberry is considered a separate fruit. Strawberries contain high levels of nitrate which help to increase blood oxygen level. Strawberries are native to North America. China is the leading global producer of strawberry. As per the Guinness World Record, the heaviest strawberry was recorded of 250 grams. According to botanists, strawberry is an accessory fruit, not a real berry. The average strawberry has 200 seeds. So these were some facts about strawberries. Did you like it? Let us know in the comment. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you, have a good day.